Hi guys, now what is necrosis? Necrosis is something same as autolysis but not autolysis. Autolysis is generalized whereas necrosis is particular to a part, okay? So its definition itself says that it is a focal death of a cell or complete degradation of a tissue by the hydrolytic enzymes secreted by the lysosomes of the cell. And another thing that differentiate necrosis through autolysis is autolysis doesn't occur with inflammation, but rather the necrosis always occurs with an inflammatory reaction or inflammation. Okay, so this is what is a basic generality. All the processes are same as the cells are getting hydrolyzed in autolysis, but the here something that is different that makes it as necrosis is now cell gets enlarged, cell gets swelled, then there is formation of blebs inside this. Okay, in necrosis there is formation of blebs, because of which the inflammatory cells come and they trigger the autolytic mechanism, whereas in autolysis there was the cell itself triggering the mechanism. Here the inflammatory cells come into the way, they create an inflammation, and because of this inflammation the cell goes into the hydrolysis or hydrolytic state. So because of which there is complete destruction of a cell by itself. Okay, so this is what is necrosis. The types of necrosis are colligative necrosis, coagulative necrosis, caseous necrosis, fibrinoid necrosis, and fat necrosis. Coagulative necrosis is something like something like that occurs due to coagulation of blood. That means the blood gets coagulated. The blood doesn't move from here and there, and because of which there is ischemia, and because of ischemia the cell or the tissue gets necrosed. Colligative necrosis is something that because of this inflammatory reaction there is formation of septicemia or liquefaction of a cell. Because of this liquefaction the cell gets necrosed. Caseous necrosis is typically found in the tubercular diseases or tuberculosis, especially of lungs. All the lung diseases produce caseous necrosis, but especially tuberculosis, which is carried out through granulomatous inflammation. Okay, granulomatous inflammation, and caseous means cheese-like appearance. So the liquefaction which has occurred here is typically an appearance of cheese. Okay, so this is what it is. Fat necrosis is something that occurs in fat tissues, and fibrinoid necrosis is something that happens in fibers, muscle fibers. So I hope you might have understood the topic of necrosis.